This was one of my favorites. So we're searching for 32. As I said, it's not the best. Luckily, I can still see what is true. This one was also, I love these ones very much. I don't know why they just don't buy 3 of them, because kid was very comfortable. I think this is it. It's a lion print. 32. I don't like the bag, so we're gonna switch into a smaller bag. This was washed, but it's been a while, so let's just make sure it's okay. It's nicely packed like this. Looks like new. When I washed it, I ironed it, and if you store them nicely, they're gonna look like it's really new. They wanted to bargain at €3. I think they have them for €4, because usually you buy these sets at 15, 18 euro. But my son was changed like a doll, so he had a lot of clothes to change, and also we had things that we received, so there was never trash. When they are little, they don't really dirty the things. We're just gonna put one simple one. They were so cute. I cannot believe that my sister-in-law didn't want anything. Oh, we just sold something else on Vinted, so probably I can pack. It's such an excitement. I'm quite tired. But this is it. This is gonna go to France, I think, or was Germany. I don't remember anymore, because I had something I sent to Amsterdam. And let's see, can we find a lion or something cute here? No, but this cute heart I think would do. Or can we just put a thank you note? Let's see. I have this little, they're too big, to be honest. It's not gonna look nice. Just put a nice. I have no lions, guys. We have no lions. Flowers. Something blue. This was really cheap and has a lot of flower and cute stuff. And it's not worth to make my own, to be honest. I wish I would, but I really don't have time. I didn't even manage to do anything for what I have already designed on my store for ErdeGora. Where we put the marketing. And I got into this Vinted now because I want to clean up a lot of my space. And with that money, I want to restore a bit here. So I found something like blue, so it goes a bit, so we close the pack. I wonder if I should pack actually how I have those as presents. Those, and I really like them. They were not expensive. And temporarily I thought, oh, let's see how is that gonna work. But because it's rainy season, I'm not sure if that's gonna be safe. Of course we have a paper, but it's not very. So let's see. So I decided to go with the paper. It's really small amount. Though last time I bought a bit thicker paper, so I'm not sure how this is gonna look like. One thing I learned is that I'm not good at cutting paper. I don't have that finesse, that feminine finesse, I guess. You can see that in other things, but packing is not one of my strongest suit, and I think I have to work on that. So let's see. I'm gonna try to pack it in couple of, so it's safer. So let's see how it's gonna work out. This is not the fun part. So I think if you have a lot of orders, you're not gonna stay to play like me. But I don't have, I have like 1 order, 2 orders a week. So that's not much. Like, I think last week was actually, I don't know, like my mom brought me luck or something. I still have a pile of clothes of mine, of my child, of my partner that he didn't use for many years. I think I bought him some things that he never wore. Because if you work all day, you don't have time to wear anything you have. So we have quite some things. And usually when we pack for a present, my partner does that. He's very precise. We just got a nice comment. How beautiful he packed. It was safe. And I'm a bit, I want to say sloppy, but maybe I'm not a good present packer. So we do this, and I think I should do also on the sides just to keep it safer. You think now, oh, she bought paper and now she's putting stickers, so this is gonna go into the trash. But also if you buy those plastic bags, you do the same thing, I guess. So I think I get more expensive doing this because this is not cheap. I'm putting the paper, so not. But yeah, when I started Vinted, I was just thinking that it's maybe not gonna work out, or because I did this when Vinted started in the Netherlands. They didn't even have commercials on television, I think. Not even sure how I heard about it. I think this is good. We have paper a couple of times actually, so I think it's cute. It won't get safe. Remember, it's still wrapped nice inside and clean. And now we're gonna put on one side the ErdeGora sticker, A Second Life, because we want people to know about ErdeGora's name. And this is my long strategy plan to bring more knowledge about the ErdeGora, the official site. So we have our sticker here, and now on the back we are gonna put so we printed our 2 labels. I have to make sure that I don't make a mistake to send something in Luxembourg rather than Germany. Here's my ironing station. I have to make sure I have the good label. I don't know how those people, when I watch a lot of Pack with me, or I really like them, it's like I cook or I do something or I color and I'm just enjoying that. I don't know, I like the noise or the way they talk. And the XXL Scrunchie, I really like that one much. And she always like pulls these many labels and they prepare the orders. I'm always thinking, how do they do it that they don't mix it? So this is going to Berlin actually. So yeah, that's a good one. And meanwhile, when I was packing this, I got another one for some winter suits. Love to Sleep, and they were made in Australia. I really found that for my child when he was 4 months old, and we used those. If I knew earlier, well, it was such a game changer. They have great sleeping costumes. This is not paid by them commercial. I really enjoy them. And something like this, they have feet, can warm the feet, but also when they grow, they can leave the feet free. And you don't need a warm jacket. So, Love to Dream was a game changer for us. And I bought 2 because if you wash one, you need to have a backup one. We had also the summer ones was great. But for this, I'm gonna need a much bigger bag. So I'm gonna have to see how I'm gonna pack this and then how I'm gonna put everything inside. They were washed, they still smell great. They were very well in a zipper bag. So hopefully this one had a tag cut, but this one not. They are both the same size because I know we use them. And they're in perfect condition. We sell them both for 50 euro. They're much more expensive right now. But the lady wanted to drop 5 euro to it. We don't do discounts, only from 2 to 3 to 5 items up. So if she really wanted to do something, some people put some small item extra and they get that discount they want, which sucks a bit for me. But yeah, you have to put a discount for the entire store. You cannot leave some items out. So I think Vinted should watch at that, because I don't think it's fair. Box from Nike, I'm gonna have to take down. Still the lid is here, so I think this is gonna be big enough to fit everything. And I don't know if I have some sizes. Always check your sizes, because I remember when we sent the auto stool, was a bit tricky, because I think we passed with 4 centimeters and we were afraid they're gonna return our package, but everything was fine. But you always have to check. Wait, 2 kilograms is not more than that. We don't have any sizes, so hopefully everything is gonna be fine, because this is quite a big one. So we're just gonna take the stickers down and we're gonna replace with ours. That's all. It's my favorite part, and I hope they're also gonna reuse the boxes. I stacked a lot of boxes here, and I was thinking, oh, most of them are pretty big, and I pack very small. So I hope people are gonna buy a bit more at once, so I can get rid of all those boxes I stored. And yeah, I mean, you save some money with shipping boxes like this, with packing, I mean, sorry. Don't know if it's really matters to take it all down, but yeah, definitely if you have a lot of orders, you're not gonna want to waste time with this. For me, it's also quite late now. I'm quite tired, and I want also to edit these videos. And I have a bit of a cold, so I'm sipping on a cold Rex. It's been a long day. Let's pack. So we packed. First one feels very good. Actually, it's quite. I still have some left over, but it doesn't matter. So we're gonna put a bit of sticker to hold it a bit in place. A big one. I think even the box is too big, so I have to find a small box. This is how it came out. The address there we have. I sticked a bit some stickers for over this because I was not able to take them off completely. And we have the other package. And we have the other package. And then tomorrow we can drop this off in a lunch break, or my mother-in-law can drop it, or my partner. It's close by, I can do my walk, though it's quite rainy, so we'll see. Do I want to do this this evening? I'm having much fun, and even if I'm exhausted, I still have the energy. I cannot say about the same about my corporate job, unfortunately.